Hey everyone, I'm Dr. RJ Harish. You're going to view how to test blood sugar level using glucometer from anywhere. This glucometer device has display screen, memory button, scroll button, sensor where the strips are placed, battery compartment and socket for inserting code chip. This is the socket to insert the chip coded for the test strips. Insert this end of the chip first into the slot provided. You can also notice code mentioned on the chip, which in this case is 596. Now gently push the chip into the socket till you hear the soft click sound. This completes the process of inserting coded chip. Press and hold memory button for few seconds to switch it on. Use scroll button to scroll through the previous saved readings. Again, press and hold the memory button for few seconds to switch it off. This is the test strips container. The label over the container mentions number of test strips in the container. Code for the test strips in the container. Here in this case it is 596. This set of test strips come along with the coded chip for the same code. Again here in this case it is 596. This is how the test strips are packed in the container. It is important to check the date of expiry on the label. Here it is in this case 2017 September. This test strip looks like a strip of paper. It has an arrow mark which indicates the end of the test strip which has to be inserted into the device. It has a green rectangular surface facing upwards which fits over the sensor, where you can see the light blinking through it when it is placed in position. Once the test strip is placed in its position, the screen displays the code for few seconds. In this case it is 596. Then it displays image of the test strips and drop of blood over it. Now the glucometer is ready. This is finger pricking device or lancing device. You can see the readings from 1 to 5 near to the pricking end of the device. Lesser reading is set for the thin skin and increased up to 5 based on the thickness of the skin. Usually for average thick skin, depth of the prick is set at 3. Cap at the pricking end of the lancing device is pulled out to place lancet. This is a lancet container, has come with 25 lancets and also has 28G or 0.4 mm thick needle. You can also check for expiry date and the date of import or manufacture. This is the lancet that is fixed into the lancing device. Insert the flat end of the lancet into the socket till it fits inside the device with a small click sound. After inserting, hold the same end and rotate the other end to remove the needle cap. Now we can see the needle. Press the top of the lancing device. Once it is pressed, now the lancing device is ready for the prick. You can adjust the depth of the prick at the lower end and click the side button to prick the finger. After glucometer and lancing devices are ready, clean the hands for the prick and wipe it dry. Tap the finger to be pricked to have adequate blood circulation. Hold the lancet flat at the sides of the distal end of finger since the capillary circulation is small. Prick the finger by pressing button on the side of the lancing device. Wipe initial drops of blood to avoid false reading due to contamination with alcohol used in the swab. Do not squeeze the finger too much to avoid false reading. Place drop of the blood on the green area. Oh, you get LO error when there is very less blood. Redo the test when it is LO error. Drop adequate quantity of blood for current reading. In this case, it is 83 mg per deciliter. Thank you. Do like, comment and subscribe.